In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Dolphin Emulator Msvcp120.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type SFC space /. Scan now. Scan now is just one word and there is no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, just simply type exit in the command prompt window and restart your Windows. Next method, check for your system type first. So type system info in the Windows search bar, click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option, which is the latest version. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click on the folder icon. Double click and simply click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and then simply click the install button to install it. But if you have already installed it, just simply click on the repair button. Now once done, close everything and just try to restart your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.